How to fix wrong clock time on Windows 10. Here are some useful methods that would help you fix the wrong Windows 10 clock time. Method 1, reset your date and time settings. Method 2, check Windows Time Service. Method 3, or change Internet Time Server. Method 4, re-register Windows Time DLL file. Run this command as admin, regsver32w32time.dll. Method 5. Re-register Windows Time Service. Run these commands as admin, netstop w32time w32tm/unregister w32tm/register netstart w32time w32tm/resync. Method 6, check your computer for malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Method 7, remove Adobe Reader using the recommended uninstall tool in this vid. Method 8, update your Windows and BIOS, using the official download/drivers. Method 9, register Real-time is universal in registry editor at hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/control/time zone information. Create then set real-time is universal's value data to 1. Method 10, shut down your PC, then remove power cable, and then replace your CMOS battery.